A cold front could bring some severe thunderstorms to southwestern WA on Friday and bring an end to this unseasonably warm week we've been having, with Thursday being another warm day. Here's a look at maximum temperatures across the state for this afternoon. 27 in Perth, which is nearly 5 degrees above the average for this time of year, and across the rest of the state, most places somewhere between 2 and 5 degrees above the norm for this time of year. That goes hand in hand with high fire dangers as well. Really late in the season to still be seeing these broad sweeping yellow areas on the map of high fire risk through the southwest, the central west, and across much of the north of the state, aside from those places way in the north where the humidity is a little bit higher. But we will see a change for parts on Friday with a cold front approaching from the southwest. Now it looks like it's going to be a bit of a vigorous front, bring some rain and some storms, and to some places that will be true. But ultimately this upcoming front is going to be battling against a big high pressure area which we can't really see here south of South Australia, which means rather than having everything progress across the state in an eastwards manner, it's generally going to slide away to the south, meaning that the impacts of this upcoming front are quite restricted to quite a small area down here. Think of it from Geraldton or so down past Perth, down towards Albany here as the places where we may well see some rain and thunderstorms over the next few days. Now these places across the southwest, if you do see severe thunderstorms on Friday, could come with heavy rain, which could cause areas of flash flooding, could come with damaging winds, which can bring down trees and cause power outages, and the potential is even there for some large hail, which can damage property and can damage crops as well. As for that southern movement on everything, we play out the loop a little bit further through Friday afternoon and Friday evening. We'll see rather than moving this way, everything moves down here away from the country, and that does mean that many parts of Western Australia, including the wheat belt, are going to miss out on much needed rain. Let's take a look at how much rain is on the forecast for this part of the country, and the widespread rainfall is not that much, maybe 10 millimetres for many in the southwest of the state. The areas where the storms move directly overhead will see heavier falls, but that's generally going to be quite small regions, perhaps 30 to 40 millimetres in those places. So if you are in the southwest of WA on Friday, do keep half an eye on the radar and any severe thunderstorm warnings that get issued throughout the afternoon. Here's a look at Friday's temperatures. You'll see a few degrees cooler across the board, but it's not a drastic cooling. We're just taking the top few degrees off that really warm week we've been having so far. So do stay out today through Friday with that front passing through at the Bureau website and app, and we'll give you updates on social media as well. Thanks very much for checking in.